What I saw on my faucet really grossed me out. I'll show you a simple home trick that removes all that dirt without scrubbing. Take a zip-top bag, it fits perfectly over the faucet and won't leak. Place the bag directly over the faucet head. Next, get some vinegar. Vinegar dissolves limescale and removes deposits that build up inside the faucet. Pour it into the bag. Then add a small amount of baking soda. Just a little is enough. The mixture will start to fizz and bubble. The baking soda reacts with the vinegar and begins breaking down the built-up grime. Turn the water on briefly so the mixture reaches the inside of the aerator as well. Then tightly secure the bag around the faucet with a rubber band so nothing leaks out. The baking soda helps remove grease and stubborn residue. Now take some aluminum foil, tear off a piece, and wrap it around the bag. This helps keep the reaction going and boosts the cleaning effect. Wait a moment. After that, remove everything, and you'll see the dirt has started to dissolve. The faucet head is clean, unclogged, and works like new. It's the fastest and easiest way to get rid of dirt and limescale from a faucet. Remember to clean your faucet regularly. I wrapped the pipe under the sink with aluminum foil, not knowing if it would be worth it. It turned out I had discovered a method that was a total hit. This clever trick was suggested to me by a plumber. I'm sure you've never heard of using foil like this before. A lot of dirt and grease builds up in kitchen sink pipes. While washing dishes, food scraps go down the drain, which leads to unpleasant odors. We use hot water for washing, which melts the grease. In the drain pipes, it starts to cool down, blocking the flow. It turns out that regular aluminum foil is all you need. Tear off a large piece, then tightly wrap it around the pipe. Cover the entire surface of the drain pipe with it. Foil has thermal insulation properties, which helps keep the water flowing through it warm for longer. Oil and greasy residue will flow into the vertical pipe without sticking to the bend or drain. I tested this trick myself, and there's no longer a bad smell coming from my faucet, even after pouring out leftover grease from a pan. I'm thrilled that such a cheap and simple method actually works. You can unclog your sink in just a few seconds without spending money on plumbers or expensive chemicals. A kitchen sink often gets blocked by simple things like food particles or built-up grease. Empty the sink and pour half a bottle of dish soap into the drain, then close the drain and fill the sink with hot water. The water should be as hot as possible to break down grease and food particles. Leave the mixture for 10 minutes to boost its effect. After that, drain it completely. This simple but effective routine should be done regularly to keep the sink in good condition. It's also worth remembering to care for your sink daily. A good habit is pouring plenty of hot water down the drain after each wash. Oils and food scraps tend to build up over time, so flushing them with hot water can prevent blockages. By following these steps, you'll avoid sink clogs and keep the kitchen drain running smoothly. With this cleaning method, limescale won't build up on your faucet for up to 3 weeks. Using a dishwasher rinse aid, you can easily remove accumulated limescale and residue. Limescale and buildup on faucets and showerheads are common issues, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high concentrations of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which leave stubborn stains and streaks on surfaces. Regular cleaning and proper care are key to tackling this problem. The solution? Dishwasher Rinse Aid. Applying this product to faucets and showerheads is a quick and effective way to remove buildup and achieve gleaming surfaces. Its acidic formula breaks down tough stains, while its protective properties help prevent dirt and limescale from forming again. To use, simply apply a small amount of rinse aid to a cloth or sponge and gently polish the surface. The rinse aid not only removes limescale and residue, but also leaves a protective coating that keeps surfaces cleaner for longer. With this method, your faucet and showerhead will shine like new. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and a polished look in your bathroom. Wipe your shower with this and get rid of limescale for weeks. Water residue that regularly builds up on shower enclosures can be a real nuisance. Over time, the glass turns cloudy and streaks become harder and harder to remove. Store-bought cleaners are often expensive and have a very strong smell. They also do not always deliver the results you expect and are not the safest option. That is why it is worth reaching for a simple home remedy. All you need is a regular potato that you most likely already have in your kitchen. Cut it in half. The most important part is the inside, the moist, light-colored flesh. This is what helps dissolve water stains and limescale. Rub it thoroughly over the shower enclosure, especially in areas where the buildup is most visible. Let it sit for a moment so it can work. Then rinse everything with lukewarm water. Finally, wipe the surface with a microfiber cloth to remove any remaining residue. Your shower enclosure will regain its shine, feel smooth to the touch, and look fresh and clean again. All thanks to one simple potato you already have on hand. A simple trick, no chemicals, and no unnecessary expense. Pour half a cup into the shower head, and all the built-up dirt will flow out. Limescale on the shower head is a problem that appears in most homes. It not only looks unsightly, but also reduces the water flow, making showers less comfortable. Hard water leaves a white deposit that builds up both outside and inside the shower head. You don't need to reach for expensive cleaners. Home remedies are effective, inexpensive, and eco-friendly. If you notice the water stream getting weaker, unscrew the shower head and pour about half a cup of vinegar inside. Close it and leave it for a few hours. The vinegar will dissolve the limescale, disinfect, and remove bacteria. Then run a strong stream of water to restore full flow. If you don't want to remove the shower head, prepare a plastic bag with a 1-to-1 mixture of water and vinegar. Submerge the shower head and tie it securely. After a few hours, simply scrub the surface clean. Regular cleaning will keep your shower head in great condition and make showers enjoyable again. Pour a tablespoon of salt into the toilet. The result is amazing. It's a simple and cheap way to make a bathroom cleaner. Prepare a cup or jug. Add 2 tablespoons of salt, then 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Next, take a lemon and poke a hole in the middle with a toothpick to squeeze the juice directly into the jug with the mixture. This combination is incredibly versatile, especially for bathroom cleaning. Add less than a glass of water and mix everything well. Using a funnel, pour the solution into a spray bottle. This homemade cleaner is a perfect alternative to chemical products. Spray it on the toilet, especially where limescale builds up. Let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub with a toilet brush or sponge as usual. You'll notice stains come off easily, leaving the toilet bowl clean and stain-free.